Hello, boys and girls. Today we'll be talking about comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. You have a symbol that is greater than, a symbol that is less than, a symbol that is equal to. Compare. To describe whether numbers are greater than, less than, or equal to each other. Why is comparing numbers so important in math? Let's go ahead and look at a scenario. Mrs. Munir needs to purchase a bigger desk for her office. She saw 2 desks at the store and wanted to purchase the one that weighs more. The purple desk weighs 150 pounds and the blue desk weighs 130 pounds. Which desk weighs more? Please help Mrs. Munir choose the correct desk. Which desk do you think weighs more? The purple desk or the blue desk? Let's look at the numbers. We have 150 for the purple. We have 130 for the blue. The 1 is the same in the hundreds place, but if you look at the 3 in the tens place and the 5 in the tens place, we can tell that the purple desk is bigger. Compare numbers. All numbers have value. You can compare 2 numbers using these symbols: greater than, less than, equal to. Let's look at example number 1. 9,254 is greater than 9,244. How do I know it's greater? Well, I always know that this alligator, eats the larger number. So 9,254 is greater than 9,244. Let's look at example number 2. 3,546 is less than 3,654. If you notice the greater than and less than symbol, greater than always will be eating the bigger number, and the pointy part will always point to the smaller number. Greater than. The symbol greater than always eats the bigger number. The bigger side needs the bigger number. The open part of symbol has the bigger number. Mr. Alligator is hungry for lunch. He will find the biggest number and munch, munch, munch. Less than. The symbol less than. The pointy part always points to the small number. The smaller side needs the smaller number. The arrow, this is the arrow, points to the smaller number. Mr. Alligator does not like small numbers. It makes his belly sore. Equal to. The symbol equal to. Both numbers are the same on opposite ends. Mr. Alligator is very hungry. He does not eat equal numbers. Comparing numbers. Let's go ahead and compare these 2 numbers. Which one do you think is bigger? We have 2,345. We have 2,355. A great strategy to use is to place the numbers in a place value chart. What that means is you basically write out the number here. And this is what it looks like. So we have 2,345. We have 2,355. Now we will go ahead and start from the left, and we will look at the numbers. So this is same, same. This is different. We have a 5 here, we have a 4 here. That's different. And then this is the same. So what do you notice? What number is different? And which number is bigger? Is the 4 bigger over here? Or is the 5 bigger? The 5 is bigger, which means 2,345 is less than 2,355. Let's do a bigger number. We have 12,375, 12,355. The first step is to plug the numbers on a place value chart. Once you went ahead and plugged the numbers, a good strategy to plug the numbers is starting with the ones. So we have the 5s, then we have the 7 and 5, the 3 and 3, the 2 and 2, and the 1 and 1. Now, as you're comparing, make sure to compare the numbers starting from the left. So we have 1, 1 is the same. 2, 2, same. 3, 3, same. 7, 5, different. 5, 5, same. We have a different number here. We have a different number here. Which number is bigger? The 7 or the 5? If you guessed 7, you are correct, which makes our answer 12,375 is greater than 12,355. And we also have our alligator symbol eating the bigger number. Go ahead and try these examples. Let's go ahead and review the answers. Example number 1. 11,375 is less than 11,455. Example number 2. 2,375 is greater than 2,355. Example number 3. 72,375 is greater than 72,305. Let's try another example. In this example, my first number is written in standard form, but my second number is written in expanded form. So I'll help you out with the first one. This number, 438, you're going to add them together and it will equal 438. Let's review the answers. 430 is less than 438. Example number 2. 935 is equal to 935. Example number 3. 569 is less than 579. These are some math journal activities you can do to practice. You can go ahead and do this in your journals. Look at the two set of numbers. Place the correct symbol in the middle column to make the true statements. Math journal activity number 2. You're going to go ahead and write the correct symbols for numbers 1 and 2. Number 3, 4, and 5, you're going to go ahead and compare the answers. So let's go ahead and read number 3. There are 29,148 people at a baseball game on Saturday. On Sunday, there are 29,974 people at the game. Compare the number of people at each game. So you will compare the numbers 29,148 to 29,974. Number 4. A great white shark weighs 5,038 pounds. A bluefin tuna weighs 1,759 pounds. Compare the weight of the fish. So you will go ahead and compare the shark, 5,038, to the bluefin tuna, which weighs 1,759. Number 5. 4 students play a video game. Luke scores 5,789 points. Janelle scores 3,980 points. Rashid scores 5,067 points. And Dara scores 4,690 points. Who scores the most points? Make sure to use your place value chart and write out all of the numbers. And that is all for today, folks. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.